What's up everyone, I'm back and got a different style vlog today. Good news for me, hopefully good news for you. So, if you've been following me so far, I have been learning all about detecting metal detectors and everything I can so far. And had my first go, which was cool. Didn't get any great finds, but you know. And then I took my son out and we used one of the kids' metal detectors, which is called a Go Find, and that was pretty cool, and he really enjoys it and he wants to come again, which is good. And so far, I've had a go with a couple of detectors. Well, I held one and then I had to give it back. You know, that's how it happens, isn't it? You can't really complain about that. So I held one and I had to give it back, and then I borrowed the Vanquish 440. And I thought, yeah, that's good. And I didn't know any of the features of it really. I was just going. Well, I needed a machine to get going that I could start doing my own thing, and I've been kindly supplied with Vanquish 540, which I know you know already because it's in the title of this video. So I'm going to unbox today a Vanquish 540 Pro Pack. And Pro Pack, the main word I want to emphasize there, because what I've learned so far is that you need the accessories, and I'm going to need more than what's in here. Like not having like a finds bag, which is the bag that you put, you know, the things you find in. And I'm pretty sure there's one of those in here, but I can't actually remember everything. I got told what was in it, but I'm going to unbox one and see what it's like. So without further ado, here it is. Let's slide it over and have a look at it. Looks pretty beastly. I must say, Minelab in general, the red and black is quite appealing. It's quite powerful, dominating, it's nice. Really nice colours, and the box looks pretty badass, which is cool. Yeah, I know that, I don't understand this yet, but I know that this is good. This multi-IQ. Minelab have this multi-IQ, multi-frequency thing, which is meant to make detecting more accurate. And if I know anything, I've learnt anything so far, because we haven't basically found anything except iron. But iron, I think iron says that it's other things sometimes. Is that right? I think that's right. Tell me below if that's wrong. Me and Rufus, my son, when Rufus and I were out, I should say Rufus and I, sorry, not me and Rufus, we were getting signals that would say it was gold and stuff like that, but I think it's iron throwing off weird signals. I think that's right from what I'm picking up from people. So I think this reduces that, and yeah. So this is the 540. Now my knowledge of this range so far, this is how in depth it is. I know that the 340 has 6 buttons, the 440 has 8 buttons, and the 540 has 10 buttons. And in my experience with electronics, more buttons is better. So let's have a look. So I'm going to open it up, see what's inside. Push it back a bit so you guys, you just get to see the lid. Oh yeah, that's nice. Right, so I'm going to pull some stuff out. So we've got, I think this is a finds bag. Is it? Oh no, what is this? Is this a finds bag? I don't know what this is. Wait a minute. That is I think that's a cover for the brain. But that's a waterproof cover. Okay, waterproof cover, nice. In here, what else we got? This, cool. Very cool. So, Minelab headphones, which would be good, because so far, wouldn't say I've been a nuisance, but have been out there making noise, and I wouldn't be able to do that in all locations, especially if I was like on the beach or something, and people trying to relax. If you're mixing with you know, muggles. So good. Right, Minelab headphones. Put them down there. What else we got in here? We have. Ooh, it's good in here. None of you guys knew. It's like a little secret. Look. So this is battery charger. So that's good. I didn't even know these things just ran on normal batteries. I just thought it would have like a built-in thing. So that's good. Battery charger. And I hear battery life is quite good on detectors in general. Like even with normal batteries. Somebody told me. So we've got some Minelab batteries. I wonder if they come charged, because I was prepped. I thought I'd need some batteries, so the old Energizer bunny set. So that's cool. What else we got? Instructions. Obviously not going to read those. Know what I'm doing. That. I know what that is. Is that just a strap around your wrist, forearm? Maybe. Cool. Right, now in here, you really can't see it very good, but you can probably from the GoPro angle. If I open it up and get some light in there. You can already see the machine looks really cool. I really like the way this series looks. Get rid of that bit of cardboard. What are they? What's this? Right, so this is obviously the arm bit. That's the technical term. I might have to lift it out. Right, so there's this bit's coming out. This is obviously the main brain. So let's just see that pouch. Yeah, that's got to be for that. So that just undoes Velcro at the back, covers that so you've got waterproof. So if you're out, which I think I'm not scared of going out in the rain. I'm quite looking forward to it. And if it makes the ground softer, I'm all for that. So that's cool. I can see it's got this quick release bit. It's the same as the 340N on the Go Find. So I can adjust the height, I'm assuming. Put that down. Sorry camera. Put that there. Next bit. Nice and easy. 2 bolts. Undo that. What is this bit? There's this bit here. I'm intrigued as to what that is. I assume that's maybe a shaft that goes down the middle. Another good shaft. Please, no complaints. Just gonna get the cables through. So the coil. Oh, you get more than one coil. I did not know that. That is cool. I did not know that. Right, so all that's in the box now. These are a bit fiddly to get out because they've got this cable running through. So these are the coils. Let me get rid of this big box. Right there. I really like the box. It makes me want to go adventuring. Right, so we've got these coils. I did not know you got 2. And they feel really cool. And is that, someone told me about skid plate. Or skid plate, is that right? Is that right? No word for it? To protect the coil at the bottom, I think. Has that got one on, or do you have to put one on there as well? I don't know. But I've obviously got 2 size coils in the pack, which I didn't know. So that's brilliant. So you've got a smaller one. I was told that smaller coil is maybe better when you're going through rougher terrain, as you're not having to move as much. And that was my thing from my first event. That was the thing that shocked me most, how freaking hard it was to get through some of the straw. I was actually looking around at Detectorist arms afterwards thinking, oh man, they must have like a strong right arm, because he had to really, there was some real resistance on that kind of chopped off straw, whatever the base of whatever used to be there. It was quite hard, and I think Rufus struggled with that a little bit. And hopefully that's what might be a bit easier about beach detecting. I think we won't have to, it's generally going to be a flat surface, but I'm sure that'll have its own problems, but I'm looking forward to that. So we've got the 2 coils, got the waterproof cover, batteries and charger, and I think that's the forearm strap. This bit, don't know what that bit is yet, but that must go there. Yeah, and then the 2 bolts must go in it because that needs to pivot. If you see me, you catch my drift. So I'm going to put this one on straight away. Put that in there. I reckon. He reckons. Did you just ram that in there? I'm guessing I might refer to the manual because I'm starting to get scared. Right, quickly put the manual. Here we go. Right, assembly instructions that are easy. No words. No words. Right, so, I won't go into that yet. So, is there another end? Let me just take this out a minute. I need to go backwards a bit. Sometimes you got to go backwards before you can go forwards. So I got this, and I put this in there. Does it go a certain way? Undo that, obs. Well, it is kind of rectangular but rounded, so I can't really get it the wrong. There you go. There you go. So put that in there. That locks off. Good. Right. And then this one, I'm not going to put the over handle in there because it'll make this more difficult to manoeuvre. I've foreseen my own problem there, so I need to put the handle in there, I need to put the strap on, and I need to put the coil on, and it is indeed how I thought. So hopefully that makes sense. Right, so I'm going to don this on here, so I know I need to plop it in there. Put it in there. In you go, and I know I was doing it right, unless these are different sizes. Let's have a look. It's hard doing it when there's cameras in. Not only because you look like a fool of a toque, but you have to not knock the cameras that I've got everywhere. Now I can feel that thread going in. Hopefully you can see that on one of the cameras. Yeah, it's going nicely. I think I'm in. Full of metaphors. Right. Yeah, I reckon that's it. Right, so I know that I need to plug the coil in, so I can undo this. Maybe I should have done this first. And from my time in music technology, working on gigs, working on events, and from looking at other detectors, I can see that obviously no one just leaves it flapping around. They wind it round nicely, and I do like a bit of that. If if your cables aren't neat, then you're not a real human, I don't think. You gotta try and make it neat. Although I've got a bit of excess and I don't really know what to do with that. But I'm just gonna bring it for now, so I'll pull it down a bit. Right, then this looks like a nice connector. Pull it over here a bit so we can see. Might even lift it up like that. Probably get a good GoPro shot. Right, so this only goes in one way, which is nice. And then it's got a nice metal, is that classed as a shroud? If it's metal, probably not. No. That's it, it's locking off now. Awesome. Right, now I'm not going to put the handle on. I know I could just thread that in there, another clip, but that's going to make it awkward. And as you can see, I've got my own problems. So I'm going to open these batteries, see if they're charged when they come out. Oh mate, come on. Right, then how do you get in here? I know that it goes in here somewhere. How do you get in the batteries? Does it pull down? Flick off? Ah, there's a thing there. Ah, yeah. 4 batteries, here we go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Yep. Right, now I've lift off. Now let's have a look here. So, what controls do I know? Power, volume. I've learned that this is sensitivity, pinpoint. So I know that that will I think I'm not sure on this one, but I think that means that just the kind of center of the coil, so you can help, it can help pinpoint where you're going. And horseshoe, I'm assuming that's like iron. Right, that's a Bluetooth symbol, and I didn't know. How can you Bluetooth on this? I don't actually know what that does. Answers below. That's probably screen brightness, I'm guessing. Oh wait, there's a thing, isn't there? Let's see how many I got right. Let's guess the others. That means yes or no, if you're having a good time. That one is left and right, if you want to move into the path of another detectorist. And that one is search avatar. Don't know what that is. Right, let's have a look. So here it is. Right, number 1, this thing. Backlight on and off, okay, I was nearly right. 2, power. 3, volume adjust, yeah. 4, all metal. Okay, so it switches it to all metal. 5 is pinpoint, yeah. 6 is sensitivity and adjust. 7, the yes no thing, is accept and reject. Oh, I don't know what that is. 8 is discrimination pattern edit. Okay, don't know what that is. 9 is search mode. Don't really know what that is. 10 is Bluetooth. Totally nailed that. 11 is target identification guide up here. Well, that's cool. I like that. I like that there's a lot of thingies. And then display. That's on the display. Let's turn it on. See if it works. Do they have power in? It does have power in when you get it. Can you see that? Swing this around. Oh, of course, I'm freaking pointing at a shovel over there. Right. I think this has been good. I think even with limited experience, obviously I've been literally studying detecting for 2 weeks. Been to one event, had literally 2 hours on it. Not even 2 hours. Found my first screwdriver bit. Where is it? There it is. That's my first find. It's got a freaking Labrador hair on it, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm starting to learn some things, like at least I know the basics, and I need to have more of a go, but I think this goes to show that you do need some things, and you do need some accessories. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get a fines pouch in here, but I need to get one anyway, but I'm super excited that I've got an extra coil. That's definitely more exciting than a fines pouch. And I'm glad that I can go out with it in the rain and that batteries are taken care of, because even though they last a while, if you're going to go out for a few days, it's nice to know that's sorted. Anyway, I hope this has been useful. I've really enjoyed this, and I can't actually wait to use it, and I can't wait to go out by myself as well. I think that's going to be a real tester. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much, Crawfords, for lending me a machine to use. This is amazing. I'm really excited about it. And if you've got any questions, pop them below, because I won't know the answer, but it's probably something that I need to know that you're thinking about asking, and it's something that someone on here will know. So any questions or any advice for me, please hit me up. Or good places that I can go, because I'm excited. I'm actually in Lincolnshire, but I'll travel anywhere. I want to get good at this. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you've enjoyed it. And let us know your thoughts, and see you soon. Bye bye.